I was hesitating to work on a project that I've been pondering on for some weeks now, but in the middle of that hesitation, a friend sent me a message that helped me to take the first step on that project. And if you have a project that you have been pondering on for a while now, but you have not just started, I believe this is going to help you too. So I'm just going to read it to you. Having it all figured out before you build is an illusion at every point. You are never completely ready. If you wait until you know how to do everything, you won't start anything. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you possibly can. Iterate, that is, repeat it again and again, and improve along the way. I hope this helps you to take the first step on that project that you have been pondering on. If you believe it's going to help you, please like this video and follow me for more content like this.